What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. This is a sweet Wednesday. Why? Because we have a set of sweet cookware. This is a 10-piece set of cookware, and the really nice people at Ciwete, it's Ciwete. I call that sweet, right? Sent this to us so we can check it out. We're going to unbox this baby. We're going to do an initial test because it comes with a couple nonstick fry pans. It's all stainless, couple nonstick fry pans. We're going to see how nonstick these babies are, and then we're going to give this the old Amy Learns to Cook review. So join us. It's Wednesday. It's Sweet Wednesday because today we get to play with some cookware. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Ciwete for sending this. I love cookware. Cookware is one of my favorite things for the kitchen. And as you know, because I have a pan room, right? This set looks pretty interesting to me. It's got a lot of nice size pieces, and I really prefer stainless when it comes to most of my cookware. But you also need a little non-stick because you need to cook eggs, you need to cook really sticky, cheesy stuff, and you kind of need a mix. So that's what makes this cookware so great, because it's a mix of the stainless that you need in a sauté and the nonstick you need in a fry pan. So you get all of that in this 10-piece set. So let me see if I can get this open. This is a really big box. Ooh. Let's see what we have here. Okay, first off, we have a lid. Yay, right? So this is a clear glass lid. This means you can look at what's going on in your pot while you're cooking. We have a nice user manual here with your warranty information. Tells you how to clean it. This is dishwasher safe, so what I recommend is if you get stuff stuck in the cookware, clean it off a little barkeeper's friend, throw these babies into the dishwasher, right? To me, if it's not dishwasher safe, I won't use it as much because I like that convenience. So here we have another lid. We'll see what that goes to. So let's see what we got here. First up, we have a little saucepan. Let's move this over here. We have a little saucepan. Ooh. Nice, sweet, right? So what's great about this cookware is it tells you right in here, there's a little bit of measurement markings in here. So in here, it's going to show you a half a quart, 1 quart, or it gives you liters. This is 1810 stainless steel on the bottom. This cookware is induction, gas, and electric safe. It is a disc bottom pan, so this is a tri-ply base, which has a core of aluminum in the inside. But that helps with heat retention. If you don't have that core of aluminum in there, it can be really uneven. But it's stainless, but the core is aluminum. So you get that nice even cooking. Now we have a second, larger pot. I use these for cooking rice. You can cook a little soup in this bad boy. These are really nice. Look at that. And this also too has measurements on the side. Shows you quarts, up to 2.5 quarts on this. This is really nice. Really nice handle. I like it. We have another lid, so I'm sure this lid goes to this saucepan. Nice, really nice. Here we have another lid, which must go to this. This must be our 2.5 quart. Is that what that is? Nice. Nice, really nice. We have Woo! A big stock pot. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. It goes up to 8 quarts. Really, really beautiful. And one of these probably fits on here. Nice, nice. 3 pans. Woo! In here, this is a big set. So here it looks like we have a sauté. Look at that baby. Look at that baby with the lid. That's really nice. This is an awesome set. So here we got, like I said, 2 non-stick fry pans. This is a 10-inch. This is Quantanium from Whitford. That's a pretty popular non-stick. And we have, this is an 8-inch. Nice. Omelets, eggs, frittatas. Cook a little chicken in there. We're gonna make some lettuce wraps, some chicken chipotle lettuce wraps, and we're also gonna make some pasta. Okay, so I'm just testing it a little bit here. We got 279, 282, 282, 288. So it's pretty even. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of butter in here, and I have a little bit of olive oil or a lot of butter. I took part of that out. I like the flavor it adds. Non-stick skillets, you don't have to put a lot of butter in, but when you're cooking eggs, you really need that butter flavor. I'm going to turn this down a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and put 2 eggs in here. Nice breakfast for you, Bill. Yeah. So I'm going to give them a little salt, give them a little pepper, because that's how we roll. Maybe I need to turn it up a little bit. Induction heats up really fast, so these pans being induction ready is great. So our eggs are cooking very nicely. Look at that. Looking kind of tasty. Looks like the pan is cooking pretty evenly. You got bubbling going all the way around all sides of the eggs pretty evenly. And you can see just by doing this, see how those eggs are moving around, shaking the pan. You can see those eggs are just flopping away there. Separate these eggs. See how they're just sliding around there? The butter adds really nice flavor to these eggs. And I like these over medium, so I'm going to head and give them a little flippy and a little flippy. Very nice. Those eggs are looking really nice. Look at that one. Ooh, steam action. And if you lift up the pan on induction, the burner beeps because it doesn't see a pan on there. But look at that. They just slide really nicely. So we have some yummy, delicious eggs for breakfast. The pan did amazing. So I'm just toasting up a little bread. Eric wants a piece to eat with these eggs. Put a little bit of butter underneath them. Give them a little toasty action. Little toasty action. Look at that.
Yeah.
Then you put your egg on top of there. Toasty action. Egg on top of there. Look at that. Now we're talking. That's breakfast. So, cooks, stay tuned because we're going to.
Before we do, give me a piece of toast.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
So, cooks, stay tuned because we're going to do some lettuce wraps, some chipotle chicken lettuce wraps. We're going to be using the saute pan, and then we're going to be doing some pasta. We're going to be cooking it in the stock pot and the saute. So, stay tuned. I really appreciate Sweet. Thanks for sending this cookware. It's amazing. If you want to check it out, there'll be links down in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe and become a member of the Amy Learns to Cook family. Also, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of this cookware. And like I said, there will be a link so you can check this out. Also, you can catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also check me out on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.